If you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Michelle. I make videos on fashion and beauty, and in today's video, we're going to be looking at the Boxycharm April 2021, I was going to say 2020, but we left that in the past. This is my second box overall. I just signed up for Boxycharm and I'm loving it so far. This is a look that I created. This eyeshadow. This eyeshadow. You'll see in a minute like why this ended up the way it did. But yeah, let's hop into it. So the theme of this month is sweet treats, and we're gonna start with the mask, I think. So this is a Georgette Cleaner Vitamin C mask. Okay, sounds nice. It says it's made in the USA, it's cruelty-free, paraben-free, dye-free. Do I have to shake it? I don't know what I have to do. I wonder if it's, is it a clay in a pump? This is so interesting. I'm scared. Please don't squirt all over me. Oh my God, ooh, I wasn't expecting that. It's not as thick as like a normal clay mask. It's kind of watery, which is good. Looking fly and shit. Okay, I'm gonna leave this bad boy on my face for 10-15 minutes and then I will be back. Okay, my timer went off. This is how it looks on the face. I just ate a salad, so I just gotta make sure. Let's wash it off and see what it looks like. I feel like it did nothing, but let's find out, let's find out. Okay, what do I think about it? I don't know, did it do anything? I don't freaking know. Like kind of, it's like kind of moisturized. I think this is like, okay. Nothing to write home about. My mom will probably be inheriting this. It's like very gentle, so I feel like it would be good for more mature skin types. All right, other than that, let's continue on with the box. So I already peeked in this. Oh my God. This is so cool. They did such a good job with the packaging. I just think it's like very heavy and luxe and yum. It's just like really, like it makes me hungry. And it's called Icy Sherbet Primer. The consistency of the primer, I think this is the most exciting thing in the box because the consistency of the primer is like literally, I've never seen anything like this. Ugh, I just want to get like, you know what? I'm going to turn the camera off and I'm going to do some B-roll right now so that you guys can just see the consistency because it is so delicious. Before I even like put my finger in, I want you guys just to see like it. You want to eat this. This is very thick. I actually don't have a primer this thick. It's actually pilling so much. Guys, do you see this pilling? Let me just like get close for you. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm breaking out. Once you're like kind of massaging it into the face, it kind of feels like water. It's kind of just like melts down to this like watery feeling. But I just can't get past this pilling. Like, did they test this? Maybe you just have to like really work it in. Oh, yeah, you just gotta work it in, that's all. It feels like very glassy. Like, look at that. Ooh, so cool. It's definitely in my hair. Can it double as a gel? Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, yes, it can. That is hilarious. Let's put on the foundation and see how it works. Okay, so I feel like the application was very smooth with that primer, which was really nice. Everything just kind of blended out really quickly. Okay, we also have these Pluck It 2-piece tweezers. I actually don't tweeze my eyebrows anymore because I just shave them because I overplucked them in high school and that has me traumatized because they never grew back properly. So I don't ever want to pluck them again. I just shave them so that if I ever want them back, they will grow back. Ay, mama, just dropped it. I feel like whenever I drop my tweezers, they never work the same after, especially on the point. So don't drop your tweezers, folks. I'm going to try to grab like a really baby hair and see if it can like hook on. I did it. Okay. So that's pretty precise. I like this. These are good tweezers. If you get this in your box and you tweeze your brows, perfect. I actually should tweeze my mustache. Like maybe I could use that. Okay, I don't tweeze my mustache or like wax or thread or anything actually. Okay, so I shave my mustache, but I have a really good explanation. So I was in the middle of doing laser sessions and they told me, they're like, don't like rip the hairs out, just shave everything. So I was like, okay, that's weird. But like I started shaving it and then I never stopped. The laser treatments didn't like work as well. I still have like maybe like 10 hairs, like maybe more than 10, but I still have hair, so I still shave. What can I do? I'm a Mexican lady. I got a lot of hair. Okay, so we got a Natasha Denona palette. I have never I've never used her shadows before. I've never even swatched them, so I'm really excited. I just like can't bring myself to spend that kind of money on her eyeshadows. Especially because, okay, this is a hot take, but I don't like eyeshadow. There, I said it. I don't love eyeshadow. I feel like my eye shape isn't really good for it. Like if I was like, you know, if I was like, like if I had a more snatched look, I think the shadows would just look good, but sometimes it just makes my eyes look a little droopy. So I know a lot of people got that like Easter egg palette with like the pinks and the blues and the blacks and the gold. I actually got a very neutral palette. So I'm happy with the palette that I got. I'm going to swatch a couple and just see if I like it. What? Is this the Natasha Denona everyone is talking about? Why is this swatching so poorly? Oh, okay, sorry. I'm swatching these down here and I'm just like, I just did a metal one and it looks really nice. Ugh, oh my god, these were so hard to work with. They're so patchy, so hard to blend. There was like bald spots. Was not loving this. So next we're gonna try, since I already have you zoomed in here, we're gonna try this mascara. So this is the, what the heck? Kveen? I swear to God, I think it says Kveen, right? Does that not say Kveen? Anyways, Dragon Lash Mascara. This is a tubing mascara. I don't like tubing mascaras. I've been so positive throughout this whole video. I like really intense lashes, so this is probably gonna be too separated, too thin. I already know it, but let's just try. It's actually good. I use Latisse, so I think this is probably making it better than it actually would be if I didn't use Latisse. Does that make any sense? Like a pretty shitty mascara can be pretty good if you use Latisse, so. Okay, so overall roundup, I definitely had some favorites and I definitely had some passes. But first, let's just see what the total value of the box is. So you pay 25 USD a month and it comes out to 152. Starting with the Natasha Denona palette. You guys saw me put this on. By God, it was a mess. I honestly think it's my brushes or it's my technique. I think I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit more because I really did like the shades. Bro, this did not turn out well for me. This is a weird kind of like intro into Natasha Denona. I've never used it before. So like, I don't know, is it me? Did they change their formula? Guys, let me know. I actually thought that this product would be my least favorite, but it actually turned out to be my most favorite. It really lifted my lashes. I didn't even have to curl them. They look juicy, they look thick. They're like standing out against my eyeshadow, which is really nice. I feel like that's a good sign of whether a mascara is doing its job or not. And my lashes are looking full. So I'm happy. This is good. I would say yes. Would I pay, how much is it? Would I pay $18? Yeah, I'd pay $18 for this. And then this is the primer. So I have mixed feelings. It was pilly, you guys saw that. But my foundation does look good. Does it look better than without or with a different primer? Looks kind of the same. I do appreciate the packaging though. The smell is amazing. Even though like I'm kind of concerned because this smells like my hair gel circa 2004. That's a little concerning. But it's like a novelty, you know? It's like fun to use, looks pretty. This was like, I just don't want another thing in my collection that I'm not using. So I'm gonna pass this along. I feel like it is nice, but I have things that are better. I think that this could be good for mature skin types. So if you are a little bit older, you probably are not watching this channel. But if you are a little bit older, then, you know, give it to your moms. Give it to your older friends. I just think a younger person would probably want something like a little more. This is just like very gentle. And then finally, the tweezers. Loved the tweezers. I think overall, I'm really pleased with Boxycharm because I filled out the quiz and I feel like they took my preferences into account. I told them that I like neutrals and I got this neutral Natasha Denona palette instead of like that crazy Easter egg one. I told them that I like tools and I got this. I told them that I am more focused on makeup and all of this was makeup today. So really happy with my box. So that is the overall roundup. Hopefully this was entertaining and I'm so curious to know what you guys got in your box. I've kind of been watching some YouTube videos of people just like doing unboxing because I'm just like so curious. But let me know in the comment section what you got. But yeah, other than that, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you. I was about to drop my phone. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.